Hey there! In today's video, we're going to show you how to register as a node operator in Qubetics network. As you can see, we're going through the documentation here, and we're going to this platform to register. Okay, you go first to dVPN node operator website, and then you click Become Node Provider. Here, you have to register as a node operator. As you can see, the process of registration is all there, but we're going to go with the documentation for easier approach. First, you have to connect your wallet and then enter details. So at first, I connect my Kepler wallet with the platform. We have gone through node setup in the previous video, so be sure to check that out. As you can see after login, we are seeing the address and ticks amount in node wallet. Okay, first we have to set a name for our operator. Type the name you desire. It's optional though. Then the email address, still optional. Enter it if you want to receive updates on the node. And then you have to enter the node address. This part is important. As you remember from previous video, you have to have the node, mnemonic keys, and node address saved into someplace safe. So there are two different addresses. One is the wallet address and one is the node address. Here we need to enter the node address. So please copy the node address and then paste it in node address section. Great. So now we have to choose a request type. You have to choose whether you want to link or unlink your existing node from the provider. So here, you can see when unlink node is selected, there are no more options. But when you click link node, you can choose a plan. So by clicking on select a plan, you see different plans, provided by the dVPN service provider. So for example, I choose 100 ticks per month, which shows duration of 30 days and 1 GB bandwidth. And now you click submit and your node request has been successfully sent. Okay, and now we have gone through the process. You can easily refresh and see the pending status on header. And if you wait, your node will be approved by the provider and you can start earning ticks by being a node operator. Awesome! If you have any other questions, let us know, and until next video, have a great time.